For number 5, finding the area of the shaded region means we're first going to have to find the area of this whole sector, which is a semicircle, and then subtract out the unshaded parts, which are 2 semicircles. So we're going to find the area of the large semicircle and subtract away the area of the 2 smaller semicircles. So when we look at the degrees of a semicircle, it's 180 out of the full 360. So that's really just 1/2 of pi r squared. The radius of the big semicircle is the diameter of the small semicircle, so it is 4 centimeters. So when we find the area of the large semicircle, it's the 180 over 360, which is 1/2, times pi times the radius squared, so 4 squared. We're going to subtract away 2 of the small semicircles, which are also 90 degrees since they're 180 degrees since they're half of a circle. So that 180 divided by 360 also simplifies down to 1/2, but the radius of the smaller semicircles is 2, so that'd be 2 squared. So the simplification here is pretty easy. 4 squared is 16, half of that is 8, so you have 8 pi for the large semicircle. When you do 2 times 1/2, that just cancels away. So you have pi times 2 squared, which is 4 pi. So you have 8 pi minus 4 pi, which leaves you with 4 pi. Our directions are for rounding to the nearest tenth, not getting the exact answer. So you'll put 4 pi in your calculator, round to the nearest tenth, and get that as approximately 12.6. And this did have units of centimeters, so centimeters squared would be your units for the area.